check out our newest feature release. We now have an image slider right inside the email builder. The CRM introduces a dynamic image slider element in the email builder, allowing users to create visually engaging and interactive email campaigns. With this feature update, the image slider now can elevate your email campaigns. You can also tailor your email content with customizable preview images, borders, and hover effects. You'll also be able to capture the attention of your audience by creating engaging emails. Imagine a small business owner using the CRM to promote a new product line through email marketing. Now, with this feature update, they can utilize the dynamic image slider. They can showcase various product images with a single email, providing a visually engaging experience for their recipients. The customization options ensure that this email is going to align with their brand's visual identity, increasing the chances of attracting and retaining their customers' interest. Let's go ahead and get started. First, I want you to go into marketing and then select emails. In that drop-down menu, go ahead and select templates. Now, from here, you're going to add a new or an existing email. Once you're in that email template builder, you're going to notice the new image slider element. So simply click the plus button, go to the element list, and then add that slider. What's great about this is you can add or remove images easily. Simply go to the edit menu and add or remove images. You can also add links for those images. Now let's go ahead and customize the appearance. So we're going to go into the edit menu, and now we're going to go ahead and edit visuals. We can edit how our corners are rounded. We can go ahead and change background colors. We can enable a thumbnail. We can size that thumbnail. There is now a hover border color as well as a selected border color. And we can add a whole bunch of other things like arrows and a lot of creativity. Now let's go ahead and tune in what is going to be where. So you actually have the ability that when the mail client has Gmail, Apple Mail, Yahoo, or Outlook, you can actually customize what is included. So you'll see that there are check marks in certain areas with some thumbnail support as well as arrow support. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.